anything push fit.
Anything
push fit, compression fitting. Like anyone can go and buy, a couple of fittings and just like stick it all together like, Lego blocks. But when you start putting that stuff in the ground or in behind walls and you can't see it, then you can run into a lot of trouble, especially, and also like compression fittings. Like you can go buy a whole bunch of compression fittings, which anyone can do. Again, it's just an extra step. You push it all together like little blocks, and you just got to tighten them up, and then hope that they don't leak. That's something I'd definitely steer clear of. Flexi drains, in a drainage sense, flexi drains, I'll stay away from them.
Yeah, silicon. I mean, we sometimes you go to a job where the husband's got a water pipe that's leaking. Husband tried to fix it. He's just smeared a whole bunch of silicon over it, taped it up, done everything that he thinks he can to try and fix it. And all it does is make the job harder because you haven't got to cut the pipe work out. It's just quicker to cut it out and replace that section rather than trying to clean up the mess the husband made.
Makes the repair works take longer, then in turn cost more.